You got to think of YouTube as a marathon and not a sprint. Like I said with Sean and with Mr. Beast videos, it took them a while, right? They didn't blow up in their first 5, 10, 50, or even 100 videos. It took them a while to grow on YouTube. It's a marathon. You gotta control yourself. You gotta control what you upload. And don't focus on analytics right away, right? The results aren't gonna be there. You can't just upload a video and then you're going to sit there on your phone and look at the YouTube studio and be like, all right, did I get a view? All right. Yep. Yeah, got one view. All right. Where's my sub? 2 days later. What? No subs yet. All right. Keep looking. Yep. Okay. You're wasting time. Upload your video and then move on to the next one, right? If you want to, down the line, if you want to come back, maybe adjust a thumbnail or a title, maybe that's the time to do it. But we're starting right off the bat. You got to get videos out there. Think of it this way. If you're entering a contest or a sweepstakes and they let you do multiple entries, what's better? 1 entry or 4 entries, right? 4 entries. Right? Better chance of winning. Think of YouTube as that sweepstakes or that contest. What's going to help you win on YouTube better? Having 1 video or having multiple videos, right? I won a free consultation with Professor Nez, great YouTube channel. What a quality guy. Go check him out after this live stream or after this video. He's got a lot of great content on there. But I won a free consultation with him, 60 minutes, valued at over thousands of dollars. And as we're talking, I was like, all right, I'm starting out. I hear all this thing about affiliates and brand deals and sponsorships and go on Twitter and TikTok and Instagram and all this. And he's like, Ted, you got to upload some videos. You have 5 videos. Doesn't show me anything. You got to upload videos. Yeah, you want to make them sound good, right? You want to have a good microphone. I think the great thing about starting out on YouTube is really you can shoot on a cell phone. You can shoot in daylight coming through your window. I think audio though is once you ruin audio, it kind of puts a bad taste in the viewer's mouth, and it's really hard to keep watching that, right? But there's so many great options for microphones and for audios. I'm actually coming out with a video very soon about some microphones that I have, even some as low as $14 that'll get the job done. So keep an eye out for that. Also, don't burn out, right? So everyone's like, how often should I upload? Should I upload every day? Should I upload once a week? How often do I upload? That's all up to you. The most important thing is right here, is your mental health. If you're going to struggle with that, upload what is comfortable to you, right? So that could be anything from, all right, I'm going to upload 1 video a week, or I'm going to upload 1 video a month. If that's what's right for your mental health, some animation channels, Mark Rober, there's some people that upload once a month. You got to tie it in. If you can afford to upload more, that'll be more beneficial to your challenge. But there's no secret rule or algorithm that says you must upload a video every 3 days or else YouTube is never going to show it to anyone. No, upload it consistent to your schedule. If you want to plan on uploading 2 videos a week, make it 2 videos a week. And it's always great to have a backlog of videos that are ready to publish, right? So maybe 1 week you have to go on vacation, or 1 week something comes up, or something crazy, you have another job and something crazy at work comes up. You have a couple videos that are ready to publish that'll be like, all right, I publish every Monday and Friday. Oh, I had a really crazy busy weekend, couldn't work on videos, but I got a video in storage here ready to publish. Boop, there we go. Upload on Monday. And focus small at first. So you don't have to when you're first starting, I wouldn't suggest, all right, I'm going to get into affiliates, I'm going to get into brands, I'm going to get into sponsorships, I'm going to be on Twitter, TikTok, Clubhouse, blah, 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 all this, like creating videos. Like, yeah, you can be on all those, but make sure we're focusing. All right, maybe it's YouTube. I kind of got the gist of that. Now let's spread to TikTok, right? Short form. Let's do some live streams. This is my first live stream ever, right? But I got a great idea from Professor Nez on these live streams are great because people that are watching live streams, they aren't expecting crazy cinematics or crazy editing, right? They want it raw, and they want it focused. They want interaction, whether it be in the chat or the comments, and really focusing on that. And then you can take snippets of your live stream. Like if we have any questions later on, and say there's a great question that takes me 4 minutes to answer, boom, we got it. We got a video right there, and make that you can turn your live streams right into videos.